Okay, good day. So I'm going to show you CHIMERA. What is CHIMERA? CHIMERA is an AI system that responds to production incidents automatically. Think about a scenario that you have issues in your system or something. You just want to make sure it is being responded. So you don't really need human investigation for this. Let me show you how it looks like. So I'm going to start by clicking on this PO. Now I'm trying to report a critical incident. So right now our API is kind of catching it. You can see it's catching the incident. Let me take this down. Good. Our API is kind of catching the incident, and you can see based on the event stream. So watch what happens. Right now, Chimera is trying to figure out what kind of expert it needs. They built his own investigation team from scratch. As you can see, these green nodes are specialized agents. Like a database expert is deploying to provide what issues this could be. For example, now see, Camera just invented these two roles based on the incident I raised. So they are now running real-time investigations simultaneously. So what I do is just to query the database, checking out endpoints, reading logs, and all that. You can see this is red one. Now, these red ones are adversarial agent. So their entire job is to challenge what the specialized find, so no conclusion goes unchecked. So that is the job of these red ones. Okay, now you can see that we have a consensus panel. So this panel serves as a confidence. Okay, so for example, now um we can see now we have 92% confidence, which means that this is the consensus derived from this specialized agent, what we just did. So the entire investigation right now took about 66 seconds, as you can see. Took about 66 seconds. A normal engineer would take longer period of time to come into this conclusion, but we need to do this in 66 seconds. So let me click the same POE again. You see, I clicked on it again and watch what happens. This time, camera got to recognize it from memory because we have solved this problem before. So he skipped the entire design phase and then just gave us what we exactly need. You can see I just added that. We like he skipped the entire design phase and went straight to what we need. So we kind of save more time and we got a better result in a very shorter time. So let me go to dashboard now. So this is the dashboard. So every resolution gets recorded here. You can see the average time saved, which is at 6 seconds, the amount of incident to solve, which is 1, the memory recall rate, and also the amount of money saved with use an engineer. So let me go back to the UI. Okay, we also have the auto detect. Right now, I triggered everything manually, but when I flip this into auto detect right now, you notice that it detects a problem automatically. It gives the high error rate. This one gives the connection spike. Also the latency drops. Like it responds immediately. No human needs to do anything. Everything is done automatically. So now this is Camera, and I would say what makes Camera different from every other AI agent is that number one, we are not doing anything like hard coded. Like I said, everything is done automatically. There is no need for template for every incident because of everything is being provided in our system. Also, it designs the right thing, like it challenges its own conclusion and learns from the outcome. Because obviously that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to build an agent that obviously learns from what mistakes it makes. So all these are built on Going Cloud and Alibaba infrastructure. Thank you.